everyone, my name's Peyton. So today the app that I've chosen to talk to you about is called Scribble, and it's just an interactive whiteboard that you can use. It's a great tool as a teacher to have your kids follow along and be able to write on a whiteboard with you. And yeah, so I just recently learned about it, so I'm excited to show it to you today. So I'll go ahead and go to the app now. Show you what it looks like. So it's this one on the bottom here called Scribble. When it pops up, there's actually a section where they can give you a tutorial so you can practice drawing on it. You can practice just the invisible ink tool and practice inviting people and whatnot, but I'm gonna go ahead and go to a new board and show you from there. So I hit the little plus arrow or the plus sign in the right corner, and then it says you can write a title here, but I'm not gonna do that. And then where you can go to invite your students is up here with this little button. It gives that 4-digit code, kind of like they do in Kahoot, and they go to their app and just type in that code. They'll go to join board and then they'll type in that code. So let me do that on my phone really quick so you can see what that looks like. So it'll show up as them wanting to add that, and you hit allow. And then their board looks like my board as the teacher. So if I wanted to do a short lesson on having them practice writing or tracing shapes or drawing shapes, I could have some written out. I can change colors on this side down here. Do some pink circles and then maybe some purple triangles. Kind of hard to do without an Apple Pencil right now, but I'm just using my finger. And then on their board, you can have them practice with the invisible ink tool. So they'll use this little blue wand right here and they can pick the color. But they can, on their screen, trace around, and you as the teacher can see that they're doing that because it pops up that they're scribbling, and you can see their invisible ink going on there and then going off of the page. So that's just one thing that you could do as a teacher, and then you can erase it all. Oops. And then another thing you could do for another short math lesson, let me go back to the black ink. If you wanted to work with perimeter and area, you could have one written out and say, in purple, tell me what the perimeter is. So you could have it written here and then have them trace it as well. So they can trace around and say that's the perimeter, and it's 2 + 2 + 4 + 4. And then you could have them do area in green. And they could, on their board, I'll do it on my phone so you can see what it would look like. They could go in, oh, that's the erasable, but I can change it to green. Go in and just shade in for the area. So that's how you could use that in a math lesson. There are several other ideas that you could use this for. I think it's really great because you can go in and you can hit this little up arrow right here, and you can print it or copy it, or you could airdrop it. And then there's other options up here. You could take a picture of it and just have that on your files. But yeah, you could use this for several different things in your classroom, and I found it really useful and enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.